Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Fit trunk latch. First, let's identify the problem. Does the latch make any sound when you try to open it? Check for anything physically blocking the latch mechanism from engaging or disengaging. Sometimes a simple obstruction is the culprit, preventing proper function. Understanding the initial symptoms helps narrow down the issue quickly. Once you've checked for obstructions, visually inspect the latch itself. Look for any obvious damage, bent parts, or excessive dirt buildup. A good cleaning can often resolve minor issues. Use a small brush to remove debris, then apply a high-quality silicone lubricant to all moving components. Work the latch a few times to ensure the lubricant spreads evenly, improving its smooth operation. If cleaning and lubrication don't work, it's time to check the electrical system. The trunk latch often relies on an electronic actuator. Use a multimeter to test if power is reaching the actuator when you try to open the trunk. If there's power but no movement, the actuator itself might be faulty and require replacement. This step helps confirm if the issue is electrical or mechanical. Finally, if the problem persists, you might need to look at the release cable or the entire latch assembly. Inspect the cable for any kinks, fraying, or breaks that could prevent it from pulling correctly. If the internal mechanism of the latch is damaged, a full replacement is often the best solution. Ensure the new latch is properly aligned for reliable and secure closing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.